I don't know.
What are you doing, you child?
Where are you going? I was thinking you just like pan on through and it'll pop up. Like at the truck, you'll pan on the truck.
Oh, so you want me to just... So what's up? It's back from wrap, and here it is finally.
Is it here?
What's here?
Sunshine, baby.
No, it is a beautiful day, and a beautiful day to showcase.
Let's go, baby.
We picked dark matte gray.
Oh, it turned out so good.
It did.
Now we're actually really happy with it.
Overall, where the color design's going with it is the body is only going to strictly be the dark matte gray, but the second color of accent is a satin black to help match all of the factory textured black plastic. So we did the roof actually in satin black instead of doing it in matte black like the hood on that Bronco at Randy's shop.
We just wanted it all tie in really well. Show that B-roll. Get it all to flow really well. Black on black, and then a little gray on gray.
I think the gray came out great. I actually was, I don't know.
We weren't sure. We weren't really sure how it was going to turn out, obviously. When you're staring at it on a little card, you don't really see. But when you actually get it on there.
Well, and plus all the pictures that we're sharing back and forth too, you know, running examples. Like, we know this with everything. You know, picking a color on a vehicle when you go to order a vehicle, that nothing does it justice until you actually have it here. So like that camera, this camera right here isn't even projecting it. That's why we have it parked the way it is. So with the sunlight,
we're just kidding. We want to park it cool. That was why.
I love how it's dark, semi-dark, and then light. It just, with everything, it shows so much texture,
shadows,
to the vehicle. Because back when it was white, all it would have just been is just shiny. But it's showing all the different lines that you never knew that existed on the vehicle. So
we're excited. It's going to be good. We have more to do to it, but at least the color's on. We're happy about it.
So right now the emblems are temporary. So what happened, actually, we had a problem with the wrap itself, getting it to our guys' shop.
Delays.
They accidentally sent, I think it was a gloss gray. So then it got sat on standstill for 4 days. And they said they overnighted it for him too, but still took 4 days. That's what's actually been happening with a lot of things, is that when we get it ordered,
it takes a sweet time.
We get a laundry list of broken promises.
Sounds about right.
That's the delivery world right now. So he had time while it just sat there in his shop. He went ahead, wrapped these black, but they're not going to stay like that. So
can't see them, but they are pretty boring.
They're boring. They don't work as well, but we have a special surprise coming, probably episode 4.
However, before we come, if you do want to go without new emblems, it's not a bad way to go.
No.
We don't appreciate it because we know what we want to have on it, but if you're just going for a quick job, don't want to replace the whole emblem, it actually does a pretty good job. You can see the logo all in between there.
Yeah.
It connects to the rest of the wrap that you have on the vehicle, so it is a doable thing.
I think if you did it on a Chevy bow tie, it would be fine to wrap a Chevy bow tie.
Potentially.
But the problem is with all the edges you got for the Ford logo, you know, it is, but it's also
preference. Yeah.
It's also just flat and boring. So
the one thing we needed to do, obviously, with the wrap, we had white handles on there. We had to get rid of the white handles and replace them with these fantastic, state-of-the-art Ford F-150 handles. Unlike the Ford F-150 handles that came off, these ones actually fit perfectly.
And that was to start matching all of our accents together. So as you can see how the window trim, the bed rail covers, the bumper cover, everything's starting to just match and flow, even with the mirrors.
Even down to the rubber that we have on here. We will remove it, but it is black. Outside of the wrap, we got the wrap 10. You connected with, what was his name?
His name is Chandler. I can get a link
Local
in the
guy.
description here.
Great job.
Local guy. He was right by where our wrap guy is, so there was no in between. Literally, when we got it wrapped and we picked it up, it went immediately to him for tint, which went perfect.
Window tint.
All we did was 15% over the factory, and then we did 15% on the front windows. And then we did 50%. I was gonna do 35%, but we did 50% on the windshield.
Had to talk you down off that ledge a little bit, that 35%.
What ledge?
The 35%, you would have been way up there.
I don't like it too dark, but it's like perfect. But it's all flowing in a connection together. It's coming out as a streamlined vehicle.
I swear we have a laundry list of stuff to get done.
Next is gonna be front end work.
Front end work, yeah. Bumper.
So that is strict. Yeah, that is all next after this. Straight front end.
Well, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, check us out. We're on TikTok and Instagram. If you're in the mood, check out our store, roguephoenixco.com. We put a lot of love and effort into the attire that we have on there. We don't like selling junk. We don't like getting junk. So we put up some good quality stuff. Hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts, all hand-picked by us. I know you'll love it. Check us out, roguephoenixco.com. Get your gear. Like my front, like get my high school grad pic photos or something.
Some what? What are they?
My graduation photos, you know?
Oh, I thought you said your Brad Pitt photos.
My Brad Pitt, yeah. Didn't you see that one they did where it's Fight Club?
Nothing like that. Okay.